Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to be showing you the iCarsoft BMM version 2.0 kit. This kit is available just by clicking the link directly below this video. I will point you to the real and the genuine products. There are fakes and clones on the market, so please be aware of that. Use the links for the genuine product. We're in a Mini Countryman right now. We've got an airbag light on the dashboard, but this video is really the same for any other vehicle, any other BMW or Mini vehicle. So it doesn't matter really what model you've got, as long as it's a BMW or Mini and it has the airbag light on, then this tool will be suitable for your needs. So I've got the tool plugged into the diagnostic port here. I'm just going to show you how to diagnose and reset that with this tool. So we'll click on the diagnostics menu. I'm going to click onto Mini. Just go through the menu options as required, and eventually it should lead us to a point where we can diagnose the fault code. So it's going to go to manual selection, so you manually select the system in which you wish to diagnose, and in this case it's going to be the airbag, which is SRS Supplemental Inflatable Restraint System. So we'll click on to that, and then we'll go to read fault code. And it's giving us two fault codes here. So we've got 93097C, and it has side airbag driver resistance too high. And then we've also got 9309C4, driver seat belt buckle contact communication fault. So there was a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which has now been put back together. The fault that you get may well be different, but in essence the theory is the same. So long as the fault has been repaired or put back together, then the tool will allow you to reset the fault. So I'm going to show you. We're going to go to clear fault memory, and it says fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure to continue? So when I just click, you can either click enter or F2, but whichever I want to do, just keep an eye on the airbag light when I do this. There we go, the airbag light has gone off, and we have a raise operation done on screen here. So as I say, that's all thanks to the iCarsoft BMM version 2.0 kit. It covers all systems within these vehicles, so it'll cover your engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, and a lot more systems within these vehicles. But as I say, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video, because as I say, fakes and clones do exist on the market, unfortunately, and it can cause your vehicle a little bit of damage. So use the links in the description below. That will take you to the genuine and official product. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.